Everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today is another unboxing of Boxycharm. I just got it in the mail, so let's unbox it. I have not opened it. Nope, I have not opened it. I want to show you guys my address. Not opened it at all. So I'm so excited to open this up with you guys and see what I got. So this is for February. So if you guys want to see what I got in my February Boxycharm, keep on watching. Okay, here we go. So excited. I saw sneak peeks, of course. So, all right, ready. Ah! Okay, this month's theme is Afterglow, and this month it came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 goodies. First one I see and I already love, it's like my favorite, all-time favorite primer, is the Touch and Soul No Problemo primer. This one, oh my god, this is like my holy grail primer. I mean, I needed a new one. I needed a new one, so I'm so glad I came with this. So excited. So this is a smooth and pore covering, top secret for perfect makeup. This is amazing. I mean, you guys seriously need to try this one. And this one retails for $18. Not bad for a primer. And it lasts you for a long time. So next that I see, I'm so excited about, is this Coco Cabana cream. Oh my goodness. So it's this one right here. Coco Cabana cream. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to try this. This one retails for $20. Let's open this sucker up. I can already smell it. Oh. So excited to try this one. Oh, it smells so good. Oops. I think that's the texture of it. Just love the way it smells. So excited. Okay, next I see is a Pretty Vulgar, and I see it's shattered. Oh, it's like big time shattered. This is Shimmery Swan, so it's a highlighter. Really pretty packaging. You guys see how it shattered? Oh, I'm bummed that it shattered. But this one retails for 32 bucks. Dang! And it shattered? It's not cool. I'm gonna try to open it without making a mess. Oh my gosh, that's a bummer. Well, I guess I can swatch it since I already have it. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that. Really pretty glow. You guys want to see it shattered? How? I don't want to. Look at that. I'm gonna close it before I make a mess. That's a bummer. Well, anyways, that one, this is the first time I ever actually get a damaged product. Next is this, what is this? Nude Stick Copper Foil Magnetic Luminous Eye Color. Never heard of this one. So the Nude Stick is a brand, a super long wearing eyeshadow pencil that is soft, super gliding, and easy to blend. This one retails for $24. I never heard of this brand. That's one thing I like about Boxycharm. You experience and you try different brands. So this is, well, first let me show you guys a pencil. It's a pencil right there. So this is a copper, has a color right there. And then let me swatch this. Oh, that's really pretty. Dang. Really pigmented. I can just like, I'm gonna do it right here. Sass. Whew. No wonder it's $24. And last is Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I love this mascara. This one retails for $24. Love the wand on this mascara. Haven't had it in a while, so I'm so glad I got it in the Boxycharm. I think everybody gets these two. Right? I think it's guaranteed that everybody gets these two that I've seen. So let's total all these goodies up. 24 for the Too Faced mascara, 32 for the highlighter, 18 for the primer, 20 for the cream, and 24 for the nude stick. That's $118 worth of products. 118, and you get full-size products. This, I never actually had anything broken from Boxycharm, so that's surprised me. I mean, look at full-size products, and all you need to do is pay $21. You better get up on that signing up and getting these boxes monthly. I mean, it's awesome. So they actually did come FedEx and then to post office. So my box weighed 0.9 pounds, and the dimensions are 6 by 4 by 2 inch. I'll leave all the information down below. Hopefully you guys get the same goodies I got, and hopefully your highlighter is not shattered like mine, which I'm very disappointed. I'm gonna try to fix it. Anybody know a way to fix that shattered highlighter? Because I really want to use it. I mean, it's gorgeous. Anyways, so that completes this unboxing video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I'll leave the referral link down below to sign up and get your Boxycharm before these boxes sell out. You can still get the February Boxycharm. Let me know what you got in your box. Let me know what you hope to get in your box. And then I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.